Alright, we're going into Cantwell, and the cashiers don't know that I'm a gorilla, and we're gonna show them what's up. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Take off.
I'm so happy, happy, lucky me. I just go my way, living every day. I don't worry, don't agree. Things that bother you never bother me. Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine, ha-ha. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Having got a lot, I don't need a lot. It's only a time. We're living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Just take it from me, I'm just as free as any daughter. I do what I like, just what I like, and how I love it. I'm right here to stay when I'm home to pray. I'll be right in my prime, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful
That's not water?
It's water.
That's lemonade.
It said water.
Throw it away.
It said water.
Hey dude, stop filming. The water?